what we end up doing with this grinder was just disassembling the whole thing and deep cleaning everything, removing all the old coffee, and making sure the burrs were moving freely. So we're gonna test it out. I'm using another grinder, the pieces that we have. This is not from this grinder, as well as the little cover is not from this grinder. As you can see, it's pretty fine. Let me just focus on it. There you go. It's pretty fine. Very consistent, which is perfect. Let's test a more coarser setting. Let me pause it. I'm gonna adjust it. Okay, now it's adjusted. We're gonna push the old settings, which were previously this one, and now the new settings will take place. As you can see, this is much more coarser than the previous one. And there you have it, Zacconi grinding once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.